Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi that keeps disconnecting on your INFINIX Note 60 Pro. So first, what we want to do is we want to go and forget and re-add the network. But before that, we're going to simply turn off and turn on the Wi-Fi. This is a quick restart. If that did not help you, click on the network and now click on forget. As you guys can see, the network shouldn't be available anymore, and now I need to enter the password for it in order to work. So I'll enter the password, I'm gonna click connect, and now we are connected to our network. We got a confirmation. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna make sure that we here in the Wi-Fi settings, that we go here, click on network assistant, and make sure that accelerate with mobile data is disabled. Also auto select optimal network and network smart switch are okay, but make sure that it is set to ask to switch. Now what are we gonna do is we're gonna make sure that we can simply turn on Wi-Fi automatically, and it will turn on only on the networks that are safe. So not like cafes or anything, it will turn off at our home, for an example. And what are we gonna do next is we're simply gonna go and check for software updates. So go to our phone, click on check for updates, and if your system is not up to date, make sure to update, because it is very important that you are on the latest version. Now as a last resort, we're gonna scroll all the way down to the system, tap on the reset phone, and click on reset Wi-Fi settings. Now we're going to click reset and enter the password. After we do that, we get a confirmation, and of course we have to add our network again, but now this time everything will work. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.